watching Olive Eye. My name is Tranell, and today we're back in my kitchen. So I want to show you guys how to make stuffed bell peppers today. It's a very easy recipe. It's great to make when you have people coming over, so if you're trying to entertain. It's really easy to clean up after you're done making these stuffed bell peppers, and they actually make for really good leftovers. So we're gonna start by taking the bell peppers, chop the top off, put some olive oil on it, salt and pepper, put it back in the oven. Then we're gonna cook the ground beef in butter, olive oil, season it up a little bit. We're gonna make some rice. We're gonna stuff all of it back into the bell peppers, and then from there, a little Parmesan cheese on top to make it all come together. So hopefully you guys enjoy it.
If the time is right, I know you've been waiting, baby. So I'm gonna give it to you. Is it in the air tonight? Feel it if the time is right. I know you've been waiting, baby. So I'm gonna
So there you go. Pretty easy, right? I think so. But everything came out pretty good. I'm actually gonna try it right now. Nice little bite. If I do say so myself. That's fine. No, it's really good though. So, putting the bell peppers in the oven early on actually helps to soften it up. And then doing it at the end again, obviously, it still holds a little bit of crunch to it. So, really, really good. The cheese, you guys can use any kind of cheese you want. I like Parmesan. I've done it with pepper jack before, so really it's something you can experiment, try it out a few times to see exactly what it is that you like. But with that being said, thank you guys. It was a pleasure. It's been a lot of fun. But also make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notified when we put out some more videos just like this. And make sure to share this with your family and friends because they're gonna love it. And happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Have a good one.